I sometimes get frustrated when I have the little pokies coming out. You know what I'm talking about,
I do know what you're talking about.
You stuff a pillow and... So method 1 would be to do what we call tapering the edges. Start sewing and then you taper.
You just went right off the edge.
I just went right off the edge, right here.
It still looks square though.
Here's a different method. I did a 1/4 inch and I did a 1/4 inch here, but I rounded it. Anything that's circular, put it in the corner and then I drew my rounded edge.
I can see
You can see that. I mean, look at that.
Oh, yeah.
That looks pretty good to me. The wrapped corner technique. Take it out of the machine. I now go, I'm pivoting to go the opposite direction. Before I do though, I take my seam allowance and fold it over. Here you go, right there.
Oh, I like that one
and
too.
And you have a nice corner.